Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add donations in Obby Creator. So first go to the Roblox homepage and then go to here create. So click on this section here create. You will go to the Creator Hub. After that go to creations. So either you create a new game or you choose an old game that you already created that's already there. I will just choose this one, my place. Okay, if I click on it once and then I scroll down a little bit, I will find monetization passes. Okay, so I repeat, I go back to experiences just to show you. I click on my experience right here, and then I scroll down here to go to monetization passes. Okay, click on it once, and then here go to create a pass. Create a pass here, you can change the logo or the image of the pass. You can name it, for example, Obby tutorial, and here for the description, anything that you want really. Then go to create a pass. Now, as you see here, you will have this Obby tutorial pass, or whatever you named your pass, and here you will find the pass ID. So copy this pass ID and then go to the Roblox game. And then once you open the game, load an Obby on your place or on your experience, and then go to edit. After you click on edit mode, go to the properties button in the top right corner, and you will find a button donations. Click on that donations button and then click on enter game pass ID, and here click on Ctrl V on your keyboard or right click and paste whatever you copied before. This is your pass ID, right? So then click on add, and after you click on add, you will find that there is a new Obby that has been added to the donations. So now you can exit this donations page and then go back to the Obby and click on the yellow button on the left, and then here you will find that you can donate to the builder like 200 Robux or whatever amount you put in the first place. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.